Hey there, bud. What are you doing? Just come here for a second. Hey there. Oh shit, your eyes open. That's why you were moving. Hey there, bud. Hold on a moment. Oh, was your mom trying to move you again? Hold on, guy. Yeah, stop wiggling around. Stop. There you go. Oh my god, you look so sad. Yeah, I know this is a new experience for you too, having your eyes open and all like this. My word. Well, that's a bit weird. Hey bud, I know I look weird, okay? No, stop fidgeting. I just have to put you back in here. Jesus, what the hell was that?